This is an old CRT monitor from the brand Yakumo, which I got with this Macintosh 4400, a computer that was manufactured by Apple and was being sold from 1996 to 1998. Nowadays we have a different technology for monitors such as IPS, OLED, Quantum Dot OLED, QD-IPS, and so on. But what about CRTs? Well, even today there are some people that use CRT monitors, which might seem crazy to some people. Those CRT monitors are even often considered to be better than IPS displays for their color accuracy, viewing angles, motion clarity, faster response times, ability to handle various resolutions without losing any image quality, which sadly newer monitors can handle. And last but not least, CRT monitors are very good in older game titles. That's because they were optimized and drawn specifically for CRT monitors. Of course, LCD or IPS have their own positive sides, because else nobody would have switched to them. Normal displays that we have today are lighter, slimmer, more energy efficient, can provide higher resolutions, have no such flicker, which you can see with your eyes, and you can see them very well when you record a video of it, which also harms eye strains. It's really hard to look for a long period of time on this monitor when you used to be on newer ones. But enough of theory. Today's video will be more of a funny experience and seeing the capabilities of CRT monitors nowadays, and this video shouldn't be considered as a learning video after all. This video is just for fun that I recorded as an excuse to do something cool and also film something for YouTube. Yeah. So what about this monitor? I have used this CRT monitor for my older video, my Macintosh video, which you can check out if you're interested in old hardware and computers, but I haven't used it on newer hardware at all. Today I want to just try out this CRT monitor on my modern computer, or at least newer computer, run Linux, web browser, applications, games, and even use it for coding. But for that we will need a computer which has VGA input or output. Fortunately, I have one, but there is a small problem, and that's why this video is even crazier than it should have been. It's my server computer, and to be fair, I don't want to lose any of my data, because what am I going to do? I use it for NAS, network edge storage, Pi-hole to get rid of some scammy websites or to get rid of a lot of advertisements on web pages and so on, and to be able to see what's happening in the network. And I don't want to lose any of it, and because also reinstall everything will take a lot of time. So what am I going to do? Today's video is going to be more interesting and jankier at the same time than I thought it will be. Which is crazy, considering that I should have planned everything. So I've sat here and thought, what can I do possibly? And the decision to which I came was I can install an operating system which I will run on my RAM storage, and it will not require any of installation on the hard drive medium in order to be used. You may be also familiar with such operating systems. If not, to be clear, there is something like you have an operating system, a very small one, on your USB drive, then you plug it into your computer, you boot into it, and then the data from USB drive gets into your RAM storage. And one of such operating systems is Puppy Linux. But what is Puppy Linux? Puppy Linux is a very lightweight distribution, a Linux distribution, and it can run from USB drive. It is exactly what we need. So everything is sorted out. Let's take our CRT monitor, our computer, and connect them both. Turn them on and test them, and see also the capabilities of Puppy Linux, because I haven't really used it for anything besides just trying to boot out of it. Now, well, today we will see how far we will go with Puppy Linux, will we be able to run everything, and also this video will be really cool because I will be able to connect CRT monitor to computer, then I will be able to record really cool video later on. So let's get into it. So here is the CRT monitor, and I will push it a little back so I will be able to connect my computer. So yeah, here are VGA cable outputs, as you can see, which we will be able to connect with our CRT monitor to the computer and computer to the power grid. As you can see, here's a dongle like this. It's needed for that computer, for Power Macintosh 4400 series, because it doesn't really use the normal VGA cable output, but it rather uses something quite different, which is a proprietary from Apple, and therefore you need this dongle. But for now, because I will use this computer, it isn't from Apple or from 90s. I need to just have a plain VGA cable output, and so I can take this dongle off. Here it is. And I will be able to plug it in. Also, as you can see, there are not all pins like in VGA cable output, but that should be fine. We will still be able to connect it to VGA cable. Now, after this, we'll connect CRT monitor to the power grid, and also we'll connect our computer to the power grid. We will also need a mouse and a keyboard so that we can do something with the computer. So here I'll take the keyboard, place it here, and connect it, because as you can see we don't use this USB cable but rather this. And now we can connect also mouse. And we should also connect USB with Puppy Linux. And we will plug it in the front I/O. And we should turn this thing on and turn this on. And while doing this, I should be pressing on the escape button, just because I will need to get into switching, like not bias really, but switching between what I want to boot options, yeah, what I want to boot, because I want to boot on my USB drive and not on my OS operating system, which I have here, which is Proxmox. So we are going to this. Turn this on. Does this scary sound? And it works, which is cool. Boot menu. Dead flash. Hard drive. UEFI boot. So we use this. And as you can see, I will play right here. Oh, this video will be hard to watch probably for some people. Me maybe included. Slow storage, waiting for slow storage. So I am manually doing this. That's very cool. It looks gorgeous, but also what I need to do is actually, oh, it has done itself. Cool. And wow, how it looks gorgeous. Reykjavik. In US, English, US, and this is fine. Changes applied successfully. I don't really know what can I also try to do. Linux uptime, and you can see all this stuff, which is really neat and cool. And so what I really wanted to do is, firstly, I want to place it in the better on the better place for you. I'm connecting this internet cable into the computer so that we will have internet connection and we will be able to install some applications. So firstly, what I want to do is just basically try out terminal like this. So I can go into downloads. I can go everywhere basically I want to. We can also check apt install. I want to install perhaps, what do I want to install? Neovim git with wget. I want to check whether it will work. And also we will see perhaps some games like Dim. And then we'll get packages nvim because it's neovim. It's not nevim. Neovim. Git has no installation candidate. Installation candidate. Do you have internet connection? Oh, we have some kind of cool utilities there. Well, for this, I will be able to just ping 1111. And yeah, we have internet connection. Why is there no new of them? Okay, now we will try to solve this. No, we get, okay. Opt search for Git. Maybe we have Git here. No, we don't. Do you want to say you don't have really... Okay, that's weird. But hey, everything works, which is cool. Do we have here Rose? Oh, Mozilla Firefox. We have too many Firefoxes here running. My eyes are not feeling great actually right now, but alright. Let's go on DuckDuckGo. And we can... Hey! Have you... Running AI on CRT, I know that AI is not really great, but I mean, come on, you can do this. Like, watch out. Say hello to audience. Hey, you're running this on CRT monitor. What we can do is a good question because I have no Linux old games. Well, duckgo.com. Hey, you can read also here. Can play some SNES games or whatever. You know what? Game Boy Advance. We will surely need this. So I will go in here and type in apt search Game Boy Advance. Nothing? Okay, so you want to say to me that we are not able to run anything in here, which is a little weird. Linux Emulator. Visual Basic Advance. Wait. Visual Advance. Oh, well, it has some not great packages. It looks like it has nothing really that you can use in here. Which is sadly because I have no other computer which I can try to use CRT Monitor on. You know what? I don't think I will find this, but we can probably try this out. Yeah. That's not great. MGBA. This is the one that I use personally. App image. We can also install app image. This should be fine, doesn't it? It isn't. Cool. Well, everything is kind of worse than expected. I mean, you can use completely this CRT monitor, which is a really great thing. And I really like how it looks, but for how long can you stay and watch this? I don't know. That's a good question. And as it seems right now, I will not be able to install anything on here, which is also sad. But hey, at least I can go on here. Hey, this is me. Repositories. Ooh, this is me. You can go also in my dot files. Crazy. Or go on YouTube. 2008. Ooh. Go on Crabwave. Ooh, crazy. Wait, it has. I forgot that this computer has built-in speakers. That's crazy. 4K? My god. It's 4K. What the fuck is what is going on? To my eyes, this looks actually perfectly fine actually, compared to other things, because it has like this. It's 69 videos, so yeah. Hey, but you'll be able to watch some 4:3 videos. Aspect ratio by 4:3 aspect ratio, so that's cool. You can also look at speeches. I don't know why, but if you really want to. Hey, it is great because it's 3 by 4:3. Yeah, we will not watch anything right here. Nothing political. So really, you can't use it. You can use it completely fine. I mean, today's CD is sort of more trying capabilities of Puppy Linux, and as you see, you can install almost anything, which is sadly. We can also try apt search for GIMP. Yeah. KDE and live. Nothing. Something just with KDE. Oh, and I also want to. Perhaps we can find what we can do. I'll be able now to go to. Right. I can go on my server because my server is this machine. Yikes. You can go htop, use it. It runs very well, as you can also see, probably. This is also not installed. We need to. There is no C matrix. There is no calci. Well, that's horrible. That's worse than I thought it will be. Okay, so we will be able to do this. So, what I have read now is you go to options, and you should give it abilities to run, execute. The easiest way will be actually to just go to downloads. Here we have MGBA, wow, and we do shmod plus x, MGBA, change modding, and now we are able to execute it, which is cool. And we try to execute it, and yeah, it works, which is very cool. So we can make much more than I have thought, which is also cool. Oh, yeah. Now I need to legally obtain some games, as you know. So I have gotten some of the ROMs, which is Grand Theft Auto Advance, Legends of Zelda, the Minish Cap, Super Mario Advance 2, Super Mario World, and Super Mario Advance 4, Super Mario Bros. 3. Yeah. And now we will try some emulations on here. Let's start with the bottom one, Super Mario D. Whoa. Oh. Wow. This game looks awesome actually on here. To be fair, I haven't played this game, but it looks very cool actually. Yeah, the sprites are looking actually quite good. Continue. What should I do? Here you will see how I fail. Bruh. Lol. Oh no, Mario. So yeah, that's... I'm very good at playing such games. You can also try a different one. I really want to try Zelda. Actually, the sprites look gorgeous. Wow. I have tried this on LCD display. No, on the IPS display, which is QD OLED, but it's really IPS, which is crazy. I don't understand it. So here it looks gorgeous. Really, you can't even tell those are. I don't know. It looks kind of gorgeous. We can say, "Hey, my name is." No. Hey, really, if you like old games, probably you will like it really much playing this type of games on CRT monitors because it looks gorgeous. Wow, these sprites, the text, I really like. Can I skip it actually? Wow! The sprites look awesome on CRT monitor, really. So if you will waiting, if you will be ending up waiting for me to record videos, you will know why I don't record a video or why I don't publish anything for quite a long time. It's because I'm playing those kind of games on CRT monitor. Oh, and also, I'm planning in the future because I think I will get a PC from the school. I hope at least. The teacher is not there, so yikes. I will wait till he's there, and if he does, I think I will get a computer from the school. And if I do, I have a cool project in mind, but I don't really know if I want to tell about it right now. It will be possible that I will publish what I want to record in my Discord. So if you're interested, curious, you can go there. If I will think that yeah, of course I can, then I will publish there what the video will be about. It will be really cool, and it will be also involved with this monitor, perhaps even different one. The back on the back there, the normal one. Wow, it looks gorgeous. Really, this looks amazing. I can't tell anything different, really, than that. I think that's too much for me. That's already enough. We can try a different game. Because I can spend a lot of time here just playing, I guess. Yeah. New game. Oh, hey, yeah, okay. Jump start. Whoa. And how to move? Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know. I hadn't really worked at the start. How do I sit down here? Oh. Okay. Well. Oh. I'm sorry. What is happening? Oh, okay. This is how you play such games. And last but not least, another Super Mario. And this I know because I have played it at school. A little. Wow. This is where I know this music from. I have this music in my Spotify playlist, which is crazy. Have you seen someone losing this fast? I love this music, really. Okay. No. We'll go here. Take this. Root. Go here. Yay. Boink. Boink. No. I know you can. Okay, I don't know how to. At least here. Okay. Oh, here. Nothing. Oh, I can run. I haven't knew that. What's happening? Wait. Okay, no. Okay, I'm big. Oh. 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 Yay. Okay. Yay. This music is vibing just. I know all of these musics. I have them all in my playlist. So, and I really didn't. I know it's from Mario, but I didn't think it's from this one. So I should stop playing. This video will be only about playing me and nothing more. Should we try anything different? What are we able even to try out with app image? So what's really cool to do this kind of testing was actually more something like playing and not anything else. Do we have VI? Yeah, we do. Probably can do something here. It should be cooler if I really installed operating system on here and not use the one that gets all data on RAM. But even then, still we have managed to do a lot of things. You can also touch, grass. So yeah, that was kind of funny actually. To be honest. We'll delete everything what we have in here. Probably or not. Oh, play it a little bit after. Yeah, that will be cool. I mean, at least you can do like this, yeah, like an old Macintosh. Hello world, don't forget to eat fish pizza. I don't know why I do have this in mind. But let's stick to this plan. Empty paint. Wow. Can I... Ooh, style. What is this? Hello? Can I draw in here? Oh yeah. Stickman. Yay. Those changes. Oh, B-top. They have B-top here. That is cool. Running at 1.6 gigahertz. No games really like chess. Oh, that's sad. But you know, this was kind of interesting. So yeah, this was kind of the video. You can also tell the video wasn't really about anything in particularly very intellectual or anything in specific that had kind of learning something in mind. It was just for fun. It was really interesting. I do have now plans for something in the future because this runs. It means that I will be able to do one cool project at least. And there are plenty of other projects that I think I will be able to do and will be really neat or cool. That's very cool. And I really like to use this CRT monitor, which is very cool, especially in old games. As you can see, it's really sad that you're not capable of doing a lot of things in Popu Linux, but still, we managed to do a lot of things. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope that you liked it. And if you do, please subscribe or leave a like or write a comment. I don't know, just or don't do anything as you want to. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the best. And see you in the next video. Bye.